So we're going to talk just a minute about equation support in LightBurn. And this comes in handy for somebody that doesn't like math, and that would include me. So we're displayed in millimeters, and we have a rectangle. We want to adjust the width, and for some reason, we only have an equation. So we're going to go up to the width cell, and we will put 200 millimeters plus 300 millimeters. Now, since we're displayed in millimeters, we don't have to specify it here. If we wanted to go from inches to millimeters, we could display in inches and it would display in millimeters. So we're going to click away, and we got our 500 millimeters that we asked for. We're going to back up, and let's say, now you can do, let's do a left parenthesis, 100 plus 200, close parenthesis, minus 100. And then you get the adjustments that we asked for. So you get the point of that, but you can also use some constants like e and pi. You can use functions like sine, cosine, tangent, and others, those things that give me a headache. So you can use that. So you can play around with it. So let's take it from, let's say, I said in the previous video, my brain's stuck in inches, and but I try to display in millimeters because typically when you download an SVG, or you're watching somebody's video, they're displaying in millimeters. So it helps to kind of to get on board, so it gets your brain straight. At least it does for me. But my brain still works in inches. So if I know I need this to be 6 inches, I can just go up here and type 6 IN, and you have to leave it bumped up against the number, click away, and you get 6 inches. And if we select it and then adjust, you can see that the 6 inches is displayed. So maybe that was helpful. If you know any more about this than I do, please let me know. You can use the equations in the X and Y positions. So if you have questions, let me know. And if you got information to share with me or share with viewers, it would be appreciated. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.